fitness family. I'm here. I'm working out in the evening. I've had a very busy day from a conference, meeting my family, and finally I'm here ready to work out with you. Are you ready? Please welcome. Okay, here we go. We are going to be working on the legs, working on the arm, on the bum, in fact the entire body, because it's a cardio. But first of all, we are going to warm up. Okay, are you ready? Get ready. If you don't have a bench, you can still do the same things that I'm going to do, but please make sure you warm up, and after that we are going to stretch. After stretching, we will start real business. Okay, here we go. Let's warm up. Okay, this is our warm up, and it's also going to be our exercise today. Okay. Wow. Okay. Then you can do this one. Tap your feet. And then your left leg. We are warming up. Okay. Let's warm up these hands. Let's make the body ready. It's important. Remember to suck in your stomach. We are warming up. Oh, thank God for working out. Okay, that's enough warm up. My heart rate is already up, so now it's time to stretch. Okay, here we go. Stretching up is very important. You hold your leg and put it together with the other leg and stretch the thighs and pull your leg up. And the other leg as well. Stretch it. Don't leave a gap here. Put it together. Okay. And let's stretch. Put your hands on the thigh here when you are stretching, not on your knees. We are stretching the left leg. Welcome to join our Keep Fit page. You will be truly blessed. You will learn so much. Then let's stretch our right leg. You can always work out anytime. In your house, in the park. Please make sure you work out. It's so important for your body. Okay. That's enough. Now we are going to do our first exercise. And here we go. Make sure you are fast and put the legs as far as you can and try to be fast. You can even lift these arms up. If you can't do that, there's another option, an easier one. You can go That's the easier one. Okay. And then we are going to work on the legs and the stomach. Any exercise you do, lifting legs, it works on the abs. Okay, let's go. We'll start with the left leg. You lift it up and you put your hands up, down, up, down. Lift your left leg up. Okay, let's go on the other leg, on the right leg. You can do like, lift this leg like 30 times, and then you can go on this one 30 times as well. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is interesting. Okay. We are going to do the left leg. This time it's on the ground, and the right leg is going to go on the bench, and you are going to be lifting your left leg with me. Here we go. Make sure you lift your hands high and lift the leg high. Okay, if you can't do that, I'm going to show you some options. If you can't work on the bench, there are ways you can also work out. We just have to lift the leg. Make sure I do some crunches here on the stomach. And then let's quickly do the right leg. Okay. Okay, I have to stop here. But before I stop, after working out, remember to stretch like we did before. You stretch the left leg, you bend for like 1 minute or 30 seconds, and the right leg, you stretch it as well. Remember to stretch both legs properly, the right and then the left. Okay, even the arms, can stretch them. Okay, I have to stop because our battery is running out, but we thank God at least we've worked out. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Remember to eat healthy and always work out, even if it's 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It's better than nothing. And remember, working out is a blessing from God. Don't look down on it. It's so important for your health. It's important to work out so that you can live long, serve God, enjoy life, have fun with your family. God bless you. Thank you for watching.